What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have something that I think every lawn warrior needs. This is a weed remover tool. We are going to use this to peck the weeds, and I'm assuming you twist and pull and it should come out. So let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and open this thing. The brand Walensee. You guys, I wasn't even paying attention to the brand. I was just looking for stuff to kill weeds, and this popped up in the feed. I put it in the cart and I said, let me check it out. You guys, so on here it says one, well, it don't say nothing, but on here, one, you put it in the weed. Then two, it looks like you push down. Three, you twist. Four, I'm assuming you still twist. 5, you push down on this black lever here, and then 6, you remove it, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and tackle some weeds and try this thing out. You see that, you guys? I have a little friend with me out there, Thumper. He's looking at me and I'm looking at him. That's nice. Can I get y'all closer? Let me see. There's a weed. Good weed. Let's see. Twist it, and it comes out. Spit it out. Alright, y'all, so the weed thing works. I'm actually having fun right now. Alright. This is another common weed right here. Sorry, don't know the name of every weed, you guys. So it is what it is on that, right? Let's see. Hey, this stuff works. I like this. Hey, I wish I had this a long time ago. Got the weed. Alright, let me back y'all up. I know some people like, why you always close to the camera? And I'm like, because I want to be close to the camera. Damn, this works. I like this. Press the black button, pull it out. Alright, what about this beginning crabgrass right here? Oh, it works. It got the root of this crabgrass. Now, somebody told me that this may not be crabgrass, it might be Bermuda, but I know Bermuda grows in the South. I don't know if Bermuda grows in Maryland, so y'all can let me know that for all the lawn experts out there, since everyone's an expert. This thing works. Alright, you guys, I found one little weed in the backyard, so let's see. We're gonna put it in the ground. We're gonna twist. Oh man, this stuff works, man. Wow. And it's out. Oh, I love this tool, you guys. I will probably try to just look for weeds. That's all I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm just going to look for weeds, and that will be it. I am going to destroy every weed. This is so easy. This is so easy, you guys. I'm not even putting no effort into this. Let's see if we can find another one. Alright, you guys, so I do not have weeds in the lawn like that. This tool will definitely be here because I do have a lot of that crabgrass. I call it crabgrass, y'all may call it Bermuda. I am in Maryland, you guys, so whatever that crap over there is, you know, I will show it to y'all. But somebody commented and said that is Bermuda grass, and I've been calling it crabgrass the whole time. So I don't know, it just looks like crap, and it's not real grass over here for me, and I don't like it. But I do have a lot coming into my garden area, my My little patio area is coming through the patio cracks. But y'all know I do have all the weed chemical sprayers and all that. Other than that, this tool is good. I do recommend it. I don't know how this is in hard clay or hard soil. Okay, you will just have to try it out for yourself. If it don't work, I guess you can return it if it don't work through your hard surface. Okay, you guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe.